Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove members in ClickUp. So if you want to remove people from your ClickUp workspace, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your profile name up here, and then if you click on it, you can see we have settings. So go ahead and click on settings, and from settings go to people. Now this will go ahead and list all the members that are available on your ClickUp workspace. So for my case, I'd like to remove this one member, and to do that, head over to this option here, all users, and go ahead and select members, and this will give you the list of all members available. So click on this ellipsis here, and here you can cancel invite, or if they were already members, you'll see an option remove member. So if you click on remove member, the member will be removed. For my case, I don't have remove member because this invitation was still pending. So that's how you can remove members on ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.